going? Welcome to another unboxing. Today we're gonna oh, hold on, I lost up on my cat. Alright, today we're gonna work on an unboxing. It's an EDC I've been wanting to get for a while, and I finally got it in order. Here it is. Alright, hopefully you can hear my audio with the mic. I do have the air conditioner on, so please excuse the sound. Alright, here it is. The TINI2 Ti or Ti titanium version. Let's see. Let's take a look at the sides. Alright, we got max output 500 lumens, maximum distance 89 meters. The max intensity is 2000 CD. I don't know what that means. Impact resistant 1 meter. Alright, waterproof IP54. I'll put the translation somewhere around here, how many feet that is. Actually, don't know. Let's take a look on the sides, the backs, features. It's a little glary, sorry about that. Let's get closer to the writing. Alright, what does it say here? We got utilizing two OSRAM R8 LEDs with a max output of 500 lumens, multifunctional OLED display, built-in 280 milliamp Li-ion battery, provides a max a runtime of 60 hours. That's pretty good. Dual side switches control 5 brightness levels, USB-C charging port, 2 user modes available, ATR advanced temperature regulation module, APC advanced power cutoff technology for an ultra low standby power consumption. Pretty cool. Let's go from the bottom. Can't get my finger in there. Let's go from the top. Pretty damn cool. Let's get out a little bit. Titanium. Well, it comes with some paperwork, some keychain. I hope it's a keychain that is durable, because before I'd always get something that's not so durable. It looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks alright. Let's see what the paperwork says. It's a Nitecore Keychain Light series. Oh, they have a whole bunch of other stuff in there. I see they have a couple of different designs, sizes. Look at this bad boy right here. Wow. Look at that bad boy. That's interesting. Let's get on the other side. Keep innovating. Instructions. Nothing so special. Let's get down to the business here. It's pretty cool. Got a little thingy in here. Let's take it off. Wow. This is actually pretty cool. Let me get close. Already got a fingerprint on it. Wow. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. Nitecore TINI2 Ti. So it's basically waterproof. I don't know how many feet it is. I did put it up. But if you're jumping in the pool by accident, hopefully it could survive it. Wow. Gee, that's pretty bright. Dang. You can light up stuff like crazy. That's pretty cool. Alright, so low. I'll call it 1, 2, 3. So 3 levels. 1, 2, 3. Nice. This thing's pretty cool. It's in demo mode. I don't like demo mode. Get out of here. 1 second lock. So you can't turn it on while it's... Oh, you can hold on. Wow, that's just bright. Okay, so you can hold on for a second. I gotta read the instructions, but this thing is bright as hell. turns on turbo mode. Is that the time I could use it? 12 minutes? It's not bad. Charging port on the side. USB-C. Pretty basic. Nowadays, it better be basic. Some nice T9 screws, it looks like. Or T something. So you can take it apart, maybe remove the battery. Okay. There's a demo mode. I gotta push them both in the same time. It's still on demo mode. There we go. Daily. Wow. 2 hours, 22 minutes for level 2. 200 LMs. 44 minutes. Oh, so there's 4 modes. So basically low, medium, high, and then boost. Dang. I like low. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool little device, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the little unboxing. We'll do another one shortly. I'll see you guys again later.